say a little bit of both. I did take some leadership courses that our facility provided in anticipation of moving into the management role, and that kind of had the foundational elements that a new leader would need. And then since I did have overlap with the prior manager, she was able to push me into certain situations where I had more exposure with like senior leadership. We had a kind of a special pathogens type unit. So I was, and that was a passion that I had. So she really pushed me to own that process and really push that forward. So she gave me lots of opportunities to build some of that leadership skills. I think the hardest transition, of course, is moving into being a people leader and having somebody that's reporting to you, and now they're relying on you to, help them with questions that they're having, barriers that they're having, and then helping, them if we need to escalate concerns. So I would say that's probably was the hardest part, was that converting to that element of leadership versus some of the other portions.